This episode of Hunting with Hadaway is brought to you in part by Taxicam and by Kicks Buck Kicker Chokes.
What's happening, y'all? We out here on the first dog hunt I've been on this year. It's the Geneva State Forest public land dog drive. This is more of a drive style hunt. It's not the free-for-all style hunt like I go on most of the time. They take you out and put you on a stand. We drew 035, just happened to be the stand we got. We got a long straightaway with a little bottom right here to our left and a little hill to our right. Looks like a likely spot. They fit to turn all kinds of dogs out. We'll hear some good races. Buck's got to have 3 points on one side, so got to be picky on what you shoot. Be careful what you shoot, but got all the cameras, got everything charged up. This is our perch, I guess, till about 11 o'clock. That's when they break for lunch, so we'll be right here. We'll see what happens, see if we get lucky. Alright, they turned out. I hear some dogs in the distance. Pumped now. I don't think I got that deer. That's a good buck. Well above the ears, horns went straight up. And he was running straight away from me. All 3 shots. And it was about 65, 70 yards. I kept hearing something right down here in this bottom. And then all of a sudden I hear a limb break and the deer's in the road. Dang, if I'd have been ready, I might have got a broadside shot on him, but I kept looking down in this bottom. I heard something hit the water down there. I thought it was that little single dog. He's trying to run it, but apparently he ain't got much of a nose on him. Dang, better we get another shot.